Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to create this look, sultry eye with a simple pink lip. Hope you like this. If you please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. And without further ado, let's jump into the video. First, I'm going to prep my face using the Nivea Day Cream Moisturizer. I'm going to take a generous amount and apply it all over my face. For the foundation, I'm going to use the Essence Matte Mousse Foundation. Since this is matte, it doesn't leave an oily finish. And I'm going to blend it using my beauty sponge. For the concealer, I'm going to use the Lakme Absolute Matte Mousse Concealer. This is also matte, so I recommend this for the oily skin girls. I'm using this in the shade Toffee. Next, to brighten up my under eyes and then trim the face, I'm going to take the Maybelline Fit Me concealer in the shade Sable. To set everything, use the Technic translucent powder. I'm just going to dust off on my T-zone areas and set my under eyes with it. For the eyes, I'm going to use the Makeup Revolution Reloaded Neutrals palette. I'm going to take the matte brown shade and apply it on my crease. It adds some definition to your eyes and gives a little warmer look, and it makes your eyes more contoured. For the outer corner, I'm going to use the dark brown shade and apply it on my eyelids. I'm going to blend everything just for a flawless finish, and make sure that you don't have any harsh lines on your eyes. For the inner corner, I'm going to use the champagne shade and place it on the eyelids. I'm gonna blend everything together. I'm going to apply the same dark brown shade on my lower lash line. It is really important to apply the same shade or any other shade under your lower lash line, because the most amateur mistake is not applying your shadows under your lower lash line. Once this is done, I'm going to finish it using the Maybelline Total Temptation Mascara, and I'm going to add some false eyelashes. I'm gonna bronze up / contour my face. I'm gonna contour my cheeks, jawline, and just add some color to just bounce my forehead too. And finally, I'm gonna contour my nose. I'm going to use the Maybelline cream blush in the shade called Coral and apply it on my apples of the cheeks. Once it is done, I'm gonna add some highlighter to the high points of my face, so it gives a nice glow. I'm going to finish it using my Maybelline Total Temptation lipstick. I'll link down the shade below so you can check it. So that's it. So this is the final result. Hope you like it. Thanks for watching and stay safe guys. See you in the next video. Bye bye.